Ever had that sinking feeling when something you rely on suddenly disappears? Like, you go to log into your favorite online service, and nothing. Just a blank screen, or worse, an error message. That's the feeling a lot of people are having right now with Spaceship Online Bank. You might be one of them, searching frantically, wondering, is Spaceship Online Bank no longer supported? Let's be real, online banking has become a staple for many of us. It's convenient, often fee-free, and it puts our finances at our fingertips. So, when a popular platform like Spaceship seems to vanish, it raises a lot of questions. What happened? Where did our money go? And most importantly, what are we supposed to do now? The truth is, the online banking landscape is constantly evolving. Fintech companies rise and fall, regulations change, and sometimes, even the most promising ventures face unexpected challenges. And that brings us to Spaceship. Now, you might have heard whispers, seen scattered forum posts, or even experienced the dreaded login failure yourself. The question on everyone's mind is there any official word? Unfortunately, pinning down concrete, official statements can be tricky. Often, companies facing operational issues will remain tight-lipped until they've sorted things out, or until it becomes unavoidable to address the public. But let's look at the signs. Increased reports of login issues, unresponsive customer service, and the sudden disappearance of app updates are all red flags. These aren't just glitches, they suggest deeper problems. In the digital age, silence can be deafening. When a company that manages your money goes quiet, it's understandable to be concerned. So, what are the potential reasons behind this? Firstly, regulatory hurdles. The financial industry is heavily regulated, and staying compliant can be a costly and complex undertaking. If Spaceship encountered regulatory issues, it could lead to operational shutdowns or a forced restructuring. Secondly, financial sustainability. Running an online bank requires significant capital. Customer acquisition, technology maintenance, and regulatory compliance all come at a price. If Spaceship struggled to secure funding or maintain a profitable business model, it could have been forced to close its doors. Thirdly, market competition. The fintech space is incredibly competitive. New players emerge constantly, offering innovative features and lower fees. If Spaceship failed to differentiate itself or adapt to changing market demands, it might have lost its competitive edge. Now, what does this mean for you? If you were a Spaceship customer, the first step is to document everything. Take screenshots of login errors, save any email communication, and gather any transaction records. This documentation can be crucial if you need to file a complaint or seek legal recourse. Next, try contacting Spaceship's customer support, even if you've had trouble reaching them before. Persistence is key. If you can't get through via phone or email, try reaching out on social media. Many companies monitor their social media channels for customer inquiries. If you have funds in your Spaceship account and you suspect the company is no longer operational, consider filing a complaint with the relevant financial regulatory authority in your region. They can investigate the matter and potentially help you recover your funds. In the meantime, it's crucial to secure your finances. Transfer any remaining funds to a reliable, established bank account. Explore alternative online banking options that offer similar features and security. And most importantly, stay informed. Keep an eye on news updates and financial forums for any official announcements regarding Spaceship. The situation with Spaceship highlights the importance of due diligence when choosing an online banking platform. Research the company's background, read customer reviews, and check for any regulatory actions. Diversification is also key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your funds across multiple accounts to minimize risk. The digital age offers incredible convenience, but it also comes with inherent risks. Staying vigilant and informed is crucial for protecting your financial well-being. And while the future of Spaceship remains uncertain, remember that you have options. Explore them, stay safe, and always prioritize the security of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.